All right, just an unboxing video of the Icon Tap and Die Set and Metric 41 piece and standard 41 piece. And it says the kit includes 2 dies, 3 tap wrenches, 17 taps, 17 dies, screwdriver, and thread gauge. Packaging looks pretty good. Let's pop her open and see what we got. All right, this is the SAE. Oh. Well, maybe. There we go. Well, hard to do one-handed. All right, we got user's manual. Hey, drill chart. That's kind of nice. Some foam. Oh crap! Watch out opening that. Wasn't thinking about that. All right. Well, let's just pick up a random one. Decent quality, looks like. I can't really see any sizes. Maybe it's on there. I think it'd be etched in there or something, but there it is. There's a half 20. It's really faint. I don't know if I can even pick that up. Oh well. And this is a lifetime warranty set. We'll test it out. Trust me, I've broken plenty of taps in my day. We'll see how their warranty process goes. Looks like standard tap and die set. Not too bad. Crank open this metric one. See if we can get it open without dropping everything everywhere. All right, tap drill chart. It's got standard and metric on each one of those. So, yeah, that's how it's supposed to look. And I guess if you need the other ones, you just pick this tray up. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. And we'll give it a go. I do have, where's it at? Pittsburgh's titanium set here. So we'll see if that holds up as well. This one's brand new. It was on some kind of clearance. Somebody open boxed or something like that. Haven't got to use this one yet. But like I said, I am a machinist. I drill, tap all the time. This one might end up at the shop. Not sure. Might leave it at the house. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you've had these, used them, broke them. See what the warranty process is like. Because it does say lifetime warranty right there on the box. All right, guys. Have a good one.